Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Okay, we got a pretty crappy market today. Still kind of tagging along the 50-day moving average, but this is really, really heavy. Everything looks really heavy on the NASDAQ. I think there's probably a rotation going on into other sectors. Energy kind of been going on for a while, and it continues to do so. Yet here we are. So if we look at the software index, this has been trending below the 50-day moving average for long enough to where the 50 MA is now starting to trend downwards. So the IGV is kind of definitely in rollover mode, but that gives us Nutanix here, which is still doing pretty well. And so my suggestion is on this, and we've had this on our active trade list for a while. We're up a little bit, not a lot, but I'll take a little bit over none at all any day. This has been working really, really well. It's kind of given you, it's given us a really good, just a really good pattern here, coming out of this kind of a high squeeze, a breakout, and then a very long multi-week drifting sideways to down pattern to test the 50-day moving average. Passes that test, and now this has formed a little bit of a higher channel here. And so my suggestion on this is, if the stock breaks out, it's a bad line here, if the stock breaks out above this level, that's when you want to buy the stock and just expect it to do what it's done before. Consolidates, breaks out and goes, consolidates, breaks out and goes, consolidates, breaks out and goes. So that's what I'm looking here for on Nutanix. And my suggestion is that you look for the same. Okay. I will see you all next time.